Hello, I'll present reverse cutting order for Engrave feature. This option is available only on rough Engrave and can be found here in sorting area in reverse cutting order. What does this do is the slices begins from the inside towards outside. What does that mean? Let me show you in star simulation. Okay, so we have the stock and let's simulate a bit. As you can see, it plunges directly, making the pocket first, then it finishes with a final contour. This is the final contour. Okay. If you disable that option, so without reverse cutting order, you shall notice that the machining is different of the part. Okay, I have the stock now, and if you simulate, you can see that it starts with the contour first, then it enters into the rest of the material, and that's it. Thank you.